Hi, my name is Grace Torpey. This is period 6-7 in Mr. Smith's class. My project is titled Flavor Intensity. On a trip to Spain, I realized that I had gone overnight without being able to brush my teeth. I wondered if chewing gum when I got off a plane would hold its flavor and keep my breath from smelling. Using the scientific method will help me organize my experiment by asking a specific question that can be tested. It will help me identify the independent and dependent variables. I will be able to test and analyze which gum will have the greater intensity of flavor after a half hour and prove or disprove my hypothesis. After a half hour of chewing, which brand of mint-flavored gum, Mentos or Winter Mint 5, will retain more flavor? I think that Mentos gum will retain a higher minty taste after a half hour of chewing because it has a stronger minty taste when I start chewing the gum. The independent variable is the hard solid Mentos and 5 gum. It will be chewed and mixed with saliva to produce a softer yet still solid mass. It will also release a minty flavor. The dependent variable is the intensity of the minty flavor of each gum. It will be measured on a scale of 1 to 3 of intensity. 1 having no intense flavor and 3 being a lot of intense flavor. The constants of this experiment are who is chewing the gum each time, and it will be the same person. They will all brush their teeth between 9 and 9:15. They will all start chewing gum at 10:30 with the first piece and 11:30 with the second piece. All will chew for 30 minutes and 1 piece will be chewed. 2 car trips, both leaving around 10 a.m. Same procedure for both car trips. Teeth brushing 9 to 9:15 a.m. First piece of gum at 10:30, second piece of gum at 11:30. First flavor evaluation at 11, second flavor evaluation at 12. Chewer describes the flavor as none, some, or a lot of flavor. On the left side of the slide is an example of how the data will be recorded. The chewer will rank the intensity after 30 minutes. 1, no flavor, 2, some flavor, and 3, a lot of flavor. On the top of the bar graph, it shows how each chewer ranked the gum they were chewing for 30 minutes. The pinkish purplish color represents Mentos and the green and blue color represents the 5 gum. I then put the information into a table of contents. No, just a table. The number of times each gum was rated 1, 2, or 3. I averaged the scores by adding all the numbers together for each gum and dividing by 14 to come up with the flavor intensity average. Mentos received a 2.28 rating on the 1 to 3 scale, and Winterfresh received a 1.57 rating on the same scale. Clearly, the Mentos gum had a higher rating, therefore maintained a higher minty flavor intensity after a half hour of chewing. The result supports my hypothesis that Mentos gum would retain more flavor after 30 minutes. I think that I would communicate the results to teens by creating an ad that communicated the results of the experiment and influenced people to choose Mentos over 5 gum. My next experiment will be which gum can create a larger bubble. Thank you.